Hello, my name's David Manning. I'm a designated support specialist with Autodesk, and this is the Plant 3D with the Experts vlog post on getting started with collaboration for Plant 3D. Specifically talking about Plant 3D version 2021, getting connected with BIM 360 Design to store your files in BIM 360 Docs. Now, what we're going to go through today very quickly is checking on your system requirements, installing 2021, checking that you have BIM 360 Design access, setting up the project, and upskilling your team. So let's have a take a quick pause and look at the versions overview. Now, if you're currently using versions 18, 19, and 2020, you've had access to collaboration for Plant, utilizing BIM 360 Team as the file store, which is entitled through the BIM 360 Design license. When we go into 2021, we're moving the file storage system to BIM 360 Docs. It is still entitled through BIM 360 Design, but the file store is moved to the next generation platform. While we're here, we just have a quick note that there is no migration required between version 2018 all the way through to 2021. So you can open a 2018 project in version 2021, and you will not get that usual migration prompt. You can open and edit it without any issues. And additionally, there's also no file format change between all those versions as well. Now, let's have a look at your system requirements. I'm going to go over to my web browser and I'll open that on the screen there. And what we want to do is do a quick Google search for Plant 3D system requirements. And let's look for 2021 version. So put that in there, do a search. And hopefully what will come to the top of your sort is this one here, same as there, and click on that and you'll see here system requirements for 2021, including specialized toolsets, one of which Plant is. So these are all your system requirements for AutoCAD, and then you've got Mac is down here as well, and the specialized toolsets we're just suggesting in addition, Plant 3D should be an extra 10 gigabyte of storage, or should be 10 gigabyte of storage, not an extra bit. Okay, so we looked at system requirements. Once you're happy with those and your system is compliant, let's look at installing Plant 3D. So if we go back to the browser again, I'm going to change tabs and I'm going to just look for manage.autodesk.com. If you put that into your browser, that should open up the website. You need to sign in and get access, and that will give you access to your software and products. Now, you might also have to ask your corporate people to provide you with installation, but if you're a single user, go to all products and services, and you're going to want to go to the AutoCAD module, because tool sets are now all included beneath that. So we go to AutoCAD, including specialized tool sets, view items, and we can see there we need to find Plant 3D, view downloads, and we can see version 21, 64-bit, and English or other options if you so need. And then you can hit install. If you can't install now, you can also download, and there's a little hyperlink there to compare the versions. So when you hit install now, that will install it on your system. I'm going to close that down. And if we go back to here, so once you've got that sorted, Plant 3D 2021 is installed, open that just to validate that it's functional. And the next thing we need to look at is checking that you have BIM 360 Design access. So if you're a single user, under your managed.autodesk.com, you should see a BIM 360 Design entry in exactly that format there. And if you click on Access Now, that should take you to the website and you can validate you have access. And if you're a corporate user, you need to talk to your software administrator or your software coordinator and make sure that you have the entitlement turned on in the multi-user system. And that's the graphic there. You can see BIM 360 Design, which note it's different to collaboration for Revit, and you need to have the collaboration for AutoCAD Plant 3D turned on for you as a user.